Hello, so I'm gonna just kind of walk you through how this is set up here while I'm actually entering some of this, because I think it will be easier instead of just creating a new one. So we go to events here. Right now I'm just entering this one in. And as of now, there's nothing in here, but I thought I'd just go through this. I'm pretty sure you already know how to do creating these. You know, the dates that need to go in them. So what we've got that's new down here is we've got content for header. That's what shows up here. So for this particular one, we'll do floating the wilds, rafting, and community yoga retreat. So I'm just going to copy. You've already got that over here, so I'm just going to copy it and put it in here. With I think these are all here, and date June 16th through 2014. Date. Update that. So there's our header now, right? So this is the ticket because it's already in there. You can see I've already put a couple of the sidebar things in, but not all of them. So I'm going to show you how the sidebar thing works here, since I had already started. So this is event sidebar. So you'll just do the day. A lot of yours have afternoon, evening, and you know, morning, afternoon, and evening. So we're right now on day 2. Right here is to add another row. So we're done with day 2. I'm just copying your stuff over here, but this displays the day, morning, and now you can put anything you want over here. It doesn't matter. You could, you know, you can use this editor as you would up below. Just because I'm copying your stuff that was in HTML format, I'm just putting it in here. That's what you already had. But if you wanted to do this differently, so if now we'll do afternoon, you could go and type in like 1 p.m. lunch. And what you could do there is you go, okay, that's a bullet. Now you can start typing your other stuff, right? So in this case, I'm just going to copy this. Put it over here. Evening. And as you see here, now we're going to want a date or a day. So then we can put it in. It's not required because we already know what day it is there. So same thing here. So that portion, I'm going to finish this and then I'll turn this recording back on for how some of the other stuff works. So we got all of this information now in here. So if you ever need to edit it, it's just within the page here. This is for your sidebar. So now if we go to floating, refresh, we've now got all of our information in here. Now our whole other area is blank. So what we want to do is, the easiest way to do this would be to go to another page and just a page from the only thing that you really need here is this right here. This will display your slider that you create for each one of these. So this is where you put the slider, but you want it to be inside of this div called slider. So you can copy the top portion out of this. Put that in. Make sure it's in the text editor here. Update this. You'll notice it's going to display. That gives it the white background. Otherwise, if you didn't put it in the div, it won't give it the white background in this. That's the only thing you need there. And then you also want, what is that? You just want this thing that says this. So there's two elements that need to come from here. And these are the two. Now, hold on one sec. So now we've got this in here, we can actually change back over to here, and our content will stay in here. So after this, there's these up here. They say tab. You can create and put your content in there. Or since yours are real similar, I just go ahead and go to one of your other pages and go this is simple. This is what it puts in. So I just go to one of these other pages. Since they're pretty similar, and copy these. it didn't save our last change, so I'm just putting this back in. Normally I didn't update it, so it didn't do it. So this just goes at the end. Now you can see that this is our tabs. So all that you do is you put a tab. So if it's tab name equals about, that means that the display name on here will say about. When you're done with the tab, you put this. So you can just type these out. You don't need to use the other thing because it's easier to put content in right here. So then what you can do, you can just start putting your content into there. So based on yours, I'm just going to go ahead and take this and paste it, but you can do whatever you like there. Since I'm pasting it from your other site, there's a bunch of stuff that does not need to be in here. You just write whatever you want in here. So that's all, and then so what will happen here is you'll update this. Now this floating will have everything within here. All these different things that you have. So register. So these you'll need to change out. So that's done with what you've already used, which is down here. So if you want to create a new slider, you probably want to change the name to whatever it may be, but then you just add another one. Add your slides, pick a few images, get the short code from down here, copy that, go to events, go to your event that you're working on, paste your short code in here. It's the only thing that's not on this page. We could add it to this page down in one of these things later. This just seemed easier to do for now. So that will get you through that area. I just wanted to show you. So the site's working and goes to where it needs to go to. These are all the same. You'll need to change them to what needs to go into there and put the correct slider in. So this will need to you'll just need to create two, the sliders that are this is for the home page. So you can rename them whatever you'd like to, but also, so for this page here, or for these right here, you need to go to your home page here, and then this is what this page looks like to put that information in. So if you want a different image, press X. This is the head title, what it is, with who, the name of the river or wherever it may be, the date, and where it links to. So you get your link from when you create your page here. You'll get your link from here where it's supposed to go and link. And then you'll put the link in there. And you don't need to worry about any of this stuff down here. It's all in this area right here. Home featured. If you need to update the slides on the home page, they're right here. This is what gives the black border on the bottom. You're probably familiar with this. So if you'd like, you can give these links also. Otherwise, I'll put this on the YouTube. You should. So here's your events once again. Here's your 3 events. The dates. All the dates are entered in them, and they go to PayPal for payment. So I did go through and test that. So should be good for getting your site to take payments. Otherwise, we can work on the other stuff later on. Thanks.